I was running second. Uh, but right when the caution, or the lap before the caution came out, I had crazy receiver malfunction. The thing came off of my harness belts, and then it was swinging around and pulling on my ears and stuff. And then all of a sudden, like I didn't feel anything anymore, but it was awfully quiet on the radio. So uh, then under the caution, I started just kind of grabbing, feeling around, and I didn't feel any. I didn't feel anything. So I was sitting there under caution, like trying to feel around, trying to get it back working and in place. So, but it all turned out fine.